Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I earned $60 in free tokens just by voting on Bybit. ByVotes is Bybit's exciting feature that lets you decide which tokens get listed on their spot market and rewards you for it. Imagine earning $10, $50, or even $100 just by voting. It's that simple. Getting started is easy. First, complete your identity verification on Bybit. Then, hold some tokens in your account like USDT or USDC. Bybit takes a 24-hour snapshot of your assets, and you get one voting voucher for every dollar you hold. The more you hold, the more vouchers you earn. To find ByVotes, simply go to the Trade section, click on SpotX, and select ByVotes. Here, you'll see all the current and upcoming voting projects. Once you have voting vouchers, use them to support your favorite projects. If the project you voted for is listed, you'll receive free tokens as a reward. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.